Not be here with the way Malai Mohammed they go on Israel. Say give the 24 hours to produce an canon. If not, Nigeria will go to war with Israel. You know what will be Israel? Israel will get covenant with God. They will press one button, Third Milan Bridge go down. All of them go Wizkid, they go work. They play with Israel.
Hello people, it's your boy M.O.P, Mouth of the People Comedian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm bringing to you is what you usually go to your doctor for consultation. Yes, and one more thing. Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
Please make some noise for Pashun!
Hey, 2 seconds everywhere, boss. Then get money. Hey, God. You say make I buy eyeglass 100,000. Say na designer eyeglass. What I want see where Buhari never show me. Now wow, what I no, I dey craze now. Buhari will open mouth tell me 2015. Same go surprise Nigerians. Are you not surprised? Hello? Oh, you dey find another surprise. Obasanjo say education is not for the poor. That's why if poor man goes school, you know they see work because you go where they don't send them. Wisdom. If big man children go school, they see work because the work not for them. Poor man, you need connection. You know the way NEPA they connect wire. You need connection. The only work we need without connection like that sales get wanted. That was the pass for road. If you get the work anywhere, you could just enter, go continue your hardship. They give you salary, you can go treat typhoid. Suffer in this country. I wake up one morning, see pray for Ukraine. I enter Twitter. I see them, give them, Putin for them. I say, now wow, we start to pray for Ukraine. Now I sleep the same day, wake up, now see pray for Nigeria. I say, what did happen? And they say, Buhari go pull out for their fight. I said, what happens? Say Buhari say give Russia 24 hours to leave Ukraine. If not, go send Nigerian soldiers. Now we start to go to beg Putin for Twitter. We don't know him more. It's our president is old though. Amnesia. He has ear problem before, guy. Not be here with the way Malai Mohammed they go on Israel. Say give the 24 hours to produce an canon. If not, Nigeria will go to war with Israel. You know what will be Israel? Israel will get covenant with God. They will press one button, Third Milan Bridge go down. All of them go Wizkid, they go work. They play with Israel. Who want go fight? When Lai Mohammed talk and finish, when he turn back, you don't see any minister fight back. Only in PA. When you travel abroad, you go to Nigerians and suffer. I travel to UK. When the child is born from birth to 18, the child is paid. Children get money past people who don't work. And they've never worked in their life. From the day you are born, your government is owing you. Nigeria. From the day when they born you, they owe the country. You are a debtor from birth. That's why I go say for Nigeria people they get hot temper from birth because they owe the country. That's why to ask person address for road for Nigeria, everybody get hot temper. That's why to address, you just want to ask how to reach Admiralty. You go to see the face, they boil. Now you go to tell the person, please. Hello, please, sir. Please, how do I? You go to beg, you go put please. Because when you just say you no put please, you just go me, hello, what? Nigerians the best. You go UK, they beat thief for UK because they pay them money. They won't know why they're going to stealing. You don't beat it, they will arrest you. Nigeria, we they beat two thieves until they resemble twins. Nigeria, for UK, if dog bite you, they will pay you money. Say dog bite you, they will call the person who get the dog. So why did you bring the dog? Domestic animal, this and that. Nigeria, person dog will pursue you from here to Songotedo. I ain't gonna see they tell you. I tell you, say they bite. You don't know. You don't know, say they bite. So far, they this country. When I hear the one we happen for worry now. Cultists enter bush, go do initiation, headsmen kill all of them. Nothing will never happen for this country. For any good and kidnap DPO na vigilante saver. For Port Harcourt, Father Christmas they share gifts to children and thief in phone. Nigerian news they tire me. For Ekiti, I've been waiting. Pastor go meet native doctor for spiritual power. Native doctor use pastor do sacrifice. The news too much. The problem everywhere. I don't know what we are going to do. Una no see the one wey happen recently? Taribo West. Where they pray for Tinubu. He speak in tongues. So they Rekabaya, I see you taking Nigeria. Rekabaya. Tinubu they look at her. How much I give this guy? Only 1 million. If I bring up bullion for this guy, go put church for me. This man, Okocha guesses. Okocha, when I give a microphone to talk, you know say Nigerians they look. You know say we they take them like legend. My brother, poverty no be anybody mate. When you get the kind of money they will give you, you go worship. When they give Okocha microphone, now Okocha say, we know the journey is tough. I wish you good health. I wish you good health because what you need now is health, sir. I love you, Pashun.
I told you. I've been no one proud, but now you see that you enjoyed the video. So to make other people enjoy what you just did, remember, I take God in the beg you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.